So now let us proceed to perform one operation, that is delete from. Okay, delete from which table? Tab where, yeah, what is that? Roll number equal to 3. है ना? Roll number equal to 3. Here तो directly value दे दिया. If you want to read that value also from the console and do it also, can do. Right, now what should we do? Cursor dot execute which query? Query Q3. Then after this, again if you execute this, so after deletion, okay, so now you see number of rows in the given tab. Okay. Now see enter roll number 4. Okay, D. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 actually are there. Now क्या किया मैंने? After deletion, so roll number 3 का delete कर दिया. So that row is deleted. Now the number of rows are 3. Understood, children? Suppose if you want to update कैसे करते हैं? So now let me write another query Q4 for updation. So update कैसे करते हैं? Update which table? Tab. Set which value we would like to change. Roll number को तो हम change नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? DDT. Okay, let's try. Set roll number is equal to 3 where name equal to DDD है ना? Semicolon. ठीक है? Now you have to execute after updation, है ना? So the cursor dot execute Q4, and after that again see multiple times I am doing this cursor dot execute this part, no? So what is the other way? We can define a function and make use of that function in this program. Okay, ma? That way also can do. Right. Anyway, so now update tab set roll number equal to 3 where name equal to DDD, and here updation करने के बाद क्या करना है? Commit. We have to save. Then only that result will be reflected. Otherwise, you will not get the change. This is after updation of roll number 4 to 3. Right, now let me execute. Okay, one more insertion. Every time we are continuing in the same program. Na? So 5 and then some E कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है? So now number of, see 3 का क्यों execute है? That's about execute Q4. Execute. Okay. Right, roll number 6 कर दिया. Okay, some name. Okay, so now you can see. Now as 4 is DDD, now that 4 is changed to 3. Okay, but here if already 4 is there, are we able to? Can we do that? We cannot do. Why? Because this roll number is primary key. Repetition is not allowed. See, for example, let me show you once again. Roll number already 3 है ना? ठीक है? Now if I am inserting one more roll number 3. नहीं तो 4 इंसर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है? 3 only verify. So then what will happen? We will get an error. Got it? Why? Because roll number is a primary key. Already 3 is there, and once again you are trying to insert 3 into the same table. Is this clear, children? Any doubt here? Anything is left out in this chapter? Fetch all, fetch many also I have shown you. Sorry. Okay. So, any doubt you can ask me. 2 minutes time is there. See. How to establish connection? If we are not using MySQL dot connector, there is another way, that is database. MySQL DB से भी connect कर सकते हो, ठीक है? These are all using connector. MySQL dot connector, MySQL dot connector. ये होंगे. See, install MySQL DB. And that way also import MySQL DB करके MySQL DB से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Then any doubts here? अक्षत आगे समझ में. So fetch many में क्या करना है? Size parameter देना है. Fetch all में all are fetched. See, buffered equal to true means, so we have used the cursor as buffered cursor, that is fetches rows and buffers them after getting output from MySQL database. We can use such cursor as iterative, okay, like one more for loop लेके, ठीक है? So there is no point in using buffered cursor for single fetching of rows. If we don't use buffered cursor, then we will get -1 as the output from row count. You have seen, no? So why we are getting -1 as the output when we are fetching here in the table creation? After table creation, when you are describing the table and trying to fetch, what was the output we got? -1. Why -1? We haven't used any buffered cursor. So if you are using, see, my cursor is equal to cursor and buffered equal to true, then it will not give you -1, but it will buffer it and give you the correct result. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt here, children? Just 7 minutes. Here, see, here I'll show you my cursor buffered equal to true, ठीक है? So then this is insertion. This is insertion, right? Here we got na buffered equal to true. Then show tables का row count आएगा. आ गया? पहले हमको आ गया number of tables in the given database -1, but now buffered equal to true किया तो आपको correct result आएगा buffer करके. Got it? Any doubt here, children? आगे समझ में? So any query. So पहले this line is as it is. You should write these 2 lines and then this final line. And in between query आप जैसे practice किया तो same query, but we are enclosing within the double quotes. And then that query, how do we execute in Python? Cursor dot execute and that query. Once the cursor executes that query, that result is there in the cursor. So we can traverse through that cursor and execute and display the result. See, for I in cursor, so then what do we do? Print I. Okay, and if you are having multiple rows, if you want to fetch one row at a time, so fetch one. If you want to fetch as many as you want, like 5 rows only out of 10 rows, so fetch 5. Fetch many within brackets 5. Otherwise, if you want all rows, fetch all. Okay, then what will happen? All the rows, every row is like a tuple, and all these tuples are items in a list. Like that, a list is obtained from the table, from the query, from the cursor. Got it? Any doubts here? The tab is the only table. So number of tables in the given database 1.